So good afternoon to all. Welcome to the Max class. And are you all ready with your Max workbook?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So please open. In the morning class, we completed 8 questions, right? We had completed 8 questions.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So let me share the screen.
And page number.
Wait. Let me take it.
Ma'am, page number.
1 minute.
6. 6. Page number 6. Page number 6. Ma'am, page number 6.
Page number 6.
6.
Okay, please take it. Page number 6. Let me also take the page. Okay, please wait a minute.
Writing 1 to 100 makes
Okay, let me share the screen. So this page number 6. And we are going to write the next question answers. Ready? Are you all ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So the question 9. 8 questions over. So the 9th question. Afrin, please unmute and read the 9th question.
Ma'am, somebody's chatting. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll disable it. Okay. Please, Afrin. Question number 9. Others, please mute your device. Only Afrin's. Unmute and read.
12
Hmm.
on clock.
At 12 o'clock.
At 12 o'clock.
Hmm.
Our hand
Hmm.
of the
Hmm. Clock.
will be
On the number.
on the number dash.
Dash. So at 12 o'clock, where will be the position of our hand? Facing on which number? Pointing to 12 o'clock. Yes, Afrin? Tell. 212, isn't it? The number 12, the pointing, at 12 o'clock, the hour hand of the clock will be on the number 12.
12. Ma'am, I already completed.
Completed. Okay, very good. Those who completed, very good. Please check your answer is correct or not. Okay. Then Sarah, unmute and read 10th question.
What is the long hand of the clock known as?
Yes. What is the long hand of the clock? Known as? What we will call?
Minute hand.
Minute hand. Very good. So please write the answer. M-I-N-U-T-E. Minute hand.
Ma'am, my husband write it.
Sarah already completed? Okay. Please check your answer is correct or not. Veda, please.
Ma'am, I also completed.
Okay. Veda, please tell the next one. 11th question.
Yes, ma'am. Read the time in the given clocks.
The first clock it is?
9 o'clock.
Yes, very good. How to write the time here? You can use any one way. The first way is we studied that 9:00, or we can write 9 o'clock.
Ma'am, I don't write the 8th question.
Eighth
Can you
question. The time in the clock is, what is the time here? 11 o'clock.
Clock.
Yes. Eighth question answer is 11 o'clock.
We want to write the 11th question in both ways.
Any one way you can write.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Then what about the next clock? What is the time shows? Rose?
4 o'clock.
Yes,
4
it is 4 o'clock. So you can write the answer 4 o'clock.
00.
Very good. Then I'm going to the next page, page number 7. Ready? Mention the positions of the hour and the minute hands. Read the time on these clocks. 13th one. Samanoya, please read 13.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
The hour hand is at
Hmm.
the hour hand
Hmm.
is at
Hmm.
10.
The hour hand is at 10. Okay. The time is?
The time is
Hmm.
10 o'clock.
Yes, very good. Correct answer. 10 o'clock. The hour hand is at 10. The time is 10 o'clock. Okay. Ishan Krishna,
Thank you.
please read the next one. Welcome, my dear. Ishan.
The minute hand is
Hmm.
dash.
In the second clock, where is the minute hand?
12.
At 12. Okay. The minute hand is at 12. And the time is?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Okay. Very good. 5 o'clock. Okay. The next question, Prithvi. Please read question number 15.
Okay, ma'am. At what time do you come home from school?
Hmm.
Evening.
At what time? What
3
time?
o'clock.
At what time do you come from home? Do
3
you come
o'clock.
home from
5
school?
o'clock. 5 o'clock.
Remember, from school at what time we will start?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock.
4 o'clock.
Ah, it's 4 o'clock, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
4 o'clock.
Everyone forget about that. The school and everything, right? Only online study.
I'm finished. 5 o'clock.
Yes, yes. At what time do you come home from school?
The school will open.
Ah, yes. Okay. Then the next question, list all your morning activities in sequence till you reach school. Also write the time at which you do them. So here what you have to do? From after getting up, we are doing so many activities, isn't it? Getting up, bathing, brushing, breakfast, having breakfast. Yes, study, everything we are doing in an order. So what do you have to do here? We have to write these activities in sequence with time, according to the time. Okay, so first activity, what is that? Wake up.
Wake up in the morning. Waking up in the morning.
Wake up at what time? We can write 6 o'clock. Wake up at 6 o'clock. Please write. Wake up at 6 o'clock. Then we can write the next activity after brushing, bathing and all. We will have our breakfast. So we can write breakfast at 7 o'clock. Then we can write going to school. Going to school
Going to school
at 8
7:30.
o'clock.
No, ma'am, 7:30.
Now this is the time we studied, no? 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Some are starting from this home at 7:30, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So you can write. Okay, have you all completed?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We can wait for some more minutes. Let others also finish. Krishnaraj completed? Krishnaraj, have you completed?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, it also complete.
Hmm.
Ma'am, it also complete.
Okay. Those who completed, please be silent. And those who completed, please take the next page. Page number 8. And try to do that next questions. If that clock is given there, we have to write the time. Each activity is given there. Those who have completed, please do it. In the next page.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes? Yes, my dear. What's your doubt? Who is calling?
Excuse me, ma'am. I
Hmm?
can't see you.
Who is that?
Aradia.
Aradhya.
Yes.
Maybe the network problem, Aradhya. Can you see the board? No. It's okay, my dear. I will send the notes to the group. Okay, I'll be sending today. So that time you please copy.
Okay, ma'am.
So moving on to the next page. Next page you can see here. Fill in the blanks with time by looking at the clocks. So Diya, CS, please read the first one.
Ma'am, the blanks with time by looking at the clock.
Diya, CS.
Fill
Please.
in the blanks with time by looking at the clocks.
Okay. First one.
First one,
Hmm?
I have
Hmm?
snacks at dash o'clock
Hmm?
in the afternoon.
Okay, so what is the time the given?
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. So please write the number here. The time it is 4 o'clock. Okay. Okay, Shivanedya. Please read the next question. Question number B.
My school starts
My
my
school
starts
hmm, at
at dash clock in the morning.
what is the time given? Yes, it is 9 o'clock. Okay, it is 9 o'clock. Okay, very good. Then the next one.
Ma'am, these are all completed.
Okay, Suryesh, please read question number C.
I go to sleep at
Hmm?
dash o'clock
Hmm? Hmm?
at night.
Hmm?
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. The time given here it is 10 o'clock. Okay.
Already completed.
Completed. So many other already completed. Arav, please read question number D. Arav.
6 o'clock.
Hmm. I. Hmm.
Studying
Hmm.
at
Hmm.
dash o'clock
Hmm.
in the evening.
Hmm. What is the time given there?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Okay, very good. It is 6 o'clock. And last we can see 2 more clocks are there. What we have to do there? You have to draw the hands of the clock. Isn't it? The first clock it is showing the time it is 1 o'clock. So 1 o'clock we need to draw the hands. The minute hand is on which number?
1 o'clock.
On 12. And the hour hand is on 1.
1 o'clock.
Now it is 1 o'clock. And the second question, 3 o'clock. So how to draw the hands? The long hand on which number? It is on 12. The hour hand is on 3. So the time is 3 o'clock. Okay. So now we completed the workbook exercises. You can see some more practice questions are there. So try to do it. We will do it later. Okay. So now we completed our time chapter. Okay, so in this chapter, we all remember what all things we studied. First, we studied about calendar, right? Calendar. Then next one, seasons. The next one, time. So these 3 important points, topics are there in this chapter. So let us revise it once more. Nainika, please unmute and tell me the months. Have you remembered the months in a year?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So Nainika, please tell the months in order.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Okay, very good.
And I will say.
Okay, 1 minute. Then next I will ask you, Anne Catherine, please unmute. Others, please mute your device.
Mama.
Only Anne Catherine. Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the days in order. days. How many days are there in a week? How many days are there in a week? 7 days. Okay. Which are the 7 days? Can you tell? Which are? Hmm? Hmm? Hmm?
Wednesday,
Hmm?
Thursday,
Hmm?
Friday,
Hmm?
Saturday.
Okay, very good, very good, very good, very good. Okay, the next question for Aradhya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which is our special month? Special
Friday.
month. Special month. Not day, month. One month is very special to us.
Friday.
Which one it is?
December. February.
February, isn't it? February is the special month. Okay. Yes, yes. Listen, listen. February is the special month. Why, you know? What is the reason? Abel? What is the reason why is February is very special? Do you know the reason?
Because
Huh?
some days
Huh?
if it's
Hmm? All the other months, it is 30 or 31 days are there, isn't it? What about February?
but if
Ah.
February comes in
Ah.
29 days, it is
Ah.
called a leap year.
Yes, yes. February is having 28 days, isn't it? And sometimes it is coming 29 days. That year we will call as leap year. So that is why the February is a special month. Understood, my dear children? Huh? It is 28 days are coming in February. All the other months it is 30 and 31 days. And one easy way also we studied that day using our hands. Have you all remember? Using our hands, how to find the months, how many days are there in a month? Yes? This portion, knuckle and dip. Yes or no? So using this, how we can find out how many days are there in the month of August? Krishnaraj, can you tell the answer? Using our hand, how to find out the answer? August month, how many days will come?
January,
Hmm.
February, March, April, June,
May,
July,
April after? Which month is coming? Once more.
May,
Okay.
June, July, August.
August. So August, how many days are there?
31 days.
31 days. It is very easy, no, using our hand. August is coming on this knuckle. So which all months we are counting, which all months are coming on this knuckle. All these months are having 31 days. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Then my next question. Welcome. Next question for Afia Maria. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you remember the seasons we studied?
Yeah.
Yes. Can you tell?
Summer season, rainy season, winter season.
Very good. Summer season, rainy season, and winter season. Okay. So we completed this chapter and I will be taking a test on Wednesday. Okay. The class test will be on Wednesday. So like last time, through Google Form will be the exam. So you have to study and all have to get full mark for the exam. Okay. Will you do it? Will you study properly? Yes or no? Okay. So the Monday we will start our next chapter, that is subtraction. So subtraction we had already studied in the standard. Have you all remember? Yes, it is a very easy chapter. Like addition, we can do subtraction also. So that we will start on Monday. Okay. Then let me revise some questions. How many of you remember the subtraction or not? So no need to write anything now. Please close your book and listen. Please close your books and listen here. Here I'm going to write one question. 6 minus 2 is equal to dash. How to find the answer? 6 minus 2. How can we subtract the numbers?
4.
Ah, yes, it is 4. Okay, how you got the answer?
6 in our hand.
Hmm?
6 in hand we have 2.
Hmm. Yes, from the 6, we have to take away 2, isn't it? From the 6, we have to take away 2. So balance how many? 4 will be the balance. So if you remember this, what we call this answer of subtraction. What is the answer of subtraction is called?
Difference.
Yes, correct answer. It is difference. The answer of subtraction is called difference. And tell me the answer of addition. Answer of addition is called? Yes, S-U-M. Sum. Okay. So this should be careful. The answer of subtraction is called difference. Answer of addition is called sum. Okay. Then if you're getting another question, that is subtract.
Ma'am says just join now.
It's okay, my dear. What happened? Network issue?
I was waiting,
Hmm?
but it didn't come.
Ah, okay. Now we completed our workbook. Okay. Chapter 6 time workbook we completed just now, and just revising the subtraction. So please listen. Subtract 3 from 8. If you're getting a question like this, how we will find out the answer? Here you can see 3 is first and 8 is second.
8 from 3.
Ah, yes. So always you have to remember that we have to subtract from the bigger number only. Okay, so here which one is the bigger number, 3 or 8?
8.
8 is the bigger number. So 8 minus 3, you have to write like this way. Okay, 8 minus 3 is equal to
5.
5. Understood, my dears? Sometimes you may write like this way, 3 minus 8. It is wrong. We can't subtract from 3 to 8. Huh? Because from the bigger number only, we can take the smaller number. Understood? So that we will taken by the next day, Monday. Okay, now it's clear to you, everyone? So study well the topic, time. Okay?
Monday class test.
Not Monday, Wednesday. Wednesday, I will take the class test. So prepare well for the class test. Okay, so today this much only. So it's a time to wind up the session. Okay? Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.